Hey, what's up everyone? This is Satyajit back again with a new video on 5 mistakes that JEE aspirants must not make during their preparation. All of these are based on my experience. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Mistake number 1. Not doing proper revision after a regular interval of time. I see many of my friends, they used to solve many questions and learn new concepts, see lectures and attend classes, but they fail to do regular revision. That's why they usually get stuck recalling the concepts. Though it is necessary to learn new concepts, but still if you do not revise properly, all of your gained knowledge will be in vain. So try to revise daily or at least once in a week. Mistake number 2. Not giving proper time-based mock tests. Many of the aspirants ask me that, bro, how many mock tests have you given in your entire JEE preparation? I always tell them that give as many mock tests as you wish, but give them after a regular interval of time. Most of them fail to do so. They think that it is not as important as solving new questions or doing revisions. So when they give proper tests or during their JEE mains or advanced exam, they do silly mistakes. And without having a proper understanding of the pattern of the exam and without doing any time-based practice, they fail to handle the stress. So everyone at least solve some questions under time constraint so that you can handle the pressure during the exam. Mistake number 3. Not fixing waking and sleeping schedule. This is the mistake that I personally made during my class 11th. Some day I used to wake up early and study, and on the other I study late night. Having such approach will give you a problem that you will not be able to retain the concepts or recall everything properly. That's why I highly suggest to fix up your waking and sleeping schedule during your 2-year preparation. Mistake number 4. Getting distracted in too much activities. Some of the activities are watching TV, playing games, scrolling social media sites, and you know the other things. While doing all of this, for refreshment is good, but if you do them for a longer period of time, it will hamper your studies. If you only do them for 1 hour daily, then it's not an issue. But if you do them for 5 to 6 hours, it will hamper you. All of these things will divert your focus from studies to other things. To do them for a limited time, just for refreshment. Mistake number 5. Collecting too much of resource during your JEE preparation while solving none of them. This is a mistake that many of the students, aspirants and even my mates did. Some of my younger brothers asked me that how many books do I have to solve in order to crack this exam. I only tell them that one book, one teacher, multiple revision for a subject, and that's it. You can crack any exam with this approach. I only solved a limited amount of books, but I solved them multiple times, at least 2 to 3 times. It is important to solve limited number of books, but to have a good grasp on them. Many of the aspirants do is that they collect resources, they collect all of the books, but barely get time to solve all of them. In 2 years preparation, you will not be able to solve all of them. I will be making a video about the books that you need to solve during your JEE preparation. There you go. If you just manage to prevent these 5 mistakes from doing, I would say that you will pass the exam with flying colors. Just keep these mistakes in your mind or write them in a paper and stick them in front of you. I wish you all the best. Thank you.